picture of the magazine Yugantar, Vande Mataram. Here it is written Vande Mataram. The picture of Kakori station, etc. Next, we have a fierce revolutionary movement in Gujarat. In Gujarat also the revolution started, and Sir Aurobindo Ghosh was the pioneer of the armed revolution in Gujarat. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh was the pioneer of the armed revolution in Gujarat, but he remained behind the curtain. His brother Barindra Kumar Ghosh always remained in the forefront. He arrived in Gujarat and moved toward the southern part. Here he met Sri Chotubai and Sri Ambubai Purani, very able companion. Sakaria Swami met him on the bank of Narmada. This Swami was associated with Queen of Jhansi at the time of revolt of 1857. Barindra Kumar involved some of the middle class youth from Vadodara, Charotar region, Ahmedabad, Mehsana in the revolution. In these relations, the buggy of Viceroy Minto was bombed outside at Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad. So here in Gujarat, we can say that Sri Aurobindo Ghosh was the pioneer of this revolution, but he always remained behind the curtain. But his brother Barindra Kumar Ghosh always remained in the forefront, and he brought many Indian youth, middle class youth he involved many middle class youth from Vadodara, Charotar region, Ahmedabad, Mehsana in this revolution. Then Barindra Kumar Ghosh, they have a companion. He had a companion like Sri Chotubai and Ambubai Purani. Sakaria Swami, who was also associated with Queen of Jhansi. And in this relation, the buggy of Viceroy Minto was bombed outside Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad. Was one of the example of this, that how youth they undertaken this type of revolutionary activities. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh described the scheme of revolution in his book named Bhavani Mandir. Yes, dear students, it is very interesting that Aurobindo Ghosh described the scheme for revolution in his book named Bhavani Mandir, and it was also translated into Gujarati and published in the journal Dakshina. Beside this booklet with title like Desi Vanaspati Davao, Navano Sabu Banavani Reet, Kasrat, Gulabno Kisso, Kaidano Sangra, etc. were published in order to spread the thought of revolution. So the Britisher won't understand. Yes, so Sri Aurobindo Ghosh described the scheme of revolutions in his book like Bhavani Mandir, and it was translated in Gujarati so that the Britisher they won't understand. It was also published in the journal like Dakshina. Beside these, many booklets with the title like Desi Vanaspati Bani Davao, Navano Sabu Banavani Reet, Kasrat, Gulabno Kisso, Kaidano Sangra. They were published in order to spread the thought of revolutions, and they were published in Gujarati language so the Britisher won't understand. This booklet contains, the method of preparing bombs. This type of books which are translated into Gujarati, and these books contains the method of preparing bombs. Ganganath Vidyalaya was established near Chandod, Karnali, where secret revolutionary activities were carried out. So, Ganganath Vidyalaya was established near Chandod, Karnali, where secret revolutionary activities were carried out. Many Gujarati youth joined these revolutionary activities, against whom stern action was taken by the government. But the fight did not stop, and finally government realized that suppression would not help to rule over India. So under these activities like we can say that publishing books, and in that books they have a method of preparing bombs. Ganganath Vidyalay, it was established, and in that many revolutionary activities, planning were carried out, activities were carried out, and many revolutionary Gujarati youth joined these revolutionary activities, and a stern action was taken by the government against these revolutionaries. But the fight did not stop here, and finally the Britishers, they realized that suppression would not help to rule over India. Now they realized that now the people, they got so angry, they became angry and started this type of revolutionary activities, and it is very difficult for them to curb the Indian revolutionaries, to suppress the Indian revolutionaries. So now suppression would not help to rule over India was the fact, and that was realized by the British government. Here you can see the picture of Aurobindo Ghosh, the book which was written by him, Bhavani Mandir, and here you can see the picture of Barindra Kumar Ghosh. Barindra Kumar Ghosh, who was the brother of Aurobindo Ghosh and always remain active or in the forefront to carry out this type of revolutionary activities.